If you have been practicing Thai massage for any amount of time, you have probably had this moment. A new client walks in, sees a mat on the floor instead of a table, notices you're not reaching out for the oil, and looks at you with that expression, that mixture of curiosity and mild confusion. And then they ask the question, so what exactly is this? How you answer that question matters more than you might think, not just for that one person, but for your bookings, your retention, your referrals, and how you position yourself in your marketing. Today, we want to talk about exactly how to handle that moment, the words that work, the reframing that converts curious people into loyal clients, and how to carry that same language into your bio, your website, and your social media platforms. I'm Ashleen with Thai Healing Massage Academy, and we release new content every week around Thai massage, how to launch your own Thai massage practice, and how to build the right skills to be an expert in Thai massage. If that interests you, make sure to drop us a follow. All right, let's get into it. Here's the challenge with explaining Thai massage. Most people's reference point for massage is Swedish. They know what massage means to them. It means lying on a table, taking off their clothes, oil, and someone working on their muscles. That is a picture they have in their head. Thai massage challenges almost every part of that picture. You stay fully clothed, there's no oil, you are on a floor mat, and instead of someone rubbing your muscles, they are compressing, stretching, rocking, and moving your entire body in ways that can look a lot like assisted yoga from the outside. So if you try to explain Thai massage by just listing what it is, you are going to lose people fast. It's an ancient healing system that works with the Sen line energies and incorporates element of yoga, acupuncture, and by that point, their eyes have glazed over. What you need instead is a way to describe it that lands immediately. Something that makes them feel it before they even have experienced it. And that starts with meeting them where they already are. The simplest and most effective thing you can do is start with what they already know and build from there. Here's a phrase that we have seen work really well. You say something like, you know how after a regular massage you feel good, but a few hours later you kind of go back to normal? Thai massage tends to produce a different result. Clients often describe it as a depth of release they have never felt before, like their whole body was reset, not just relaxed. That one sentence does a lot of work. It does not try to convince them that Swedish is inferior. It just opens a door to something more. Then you can add the physical picture. It is done fully clothed on a floor mat. Instead of me working on your muscles with oil, I'm going to be using compression, stretching, and movement to work your whole body. Think of it like assisted yoga combined with deep pressure work. Some of it is quite gentle, some of it goes very deep, and all of it works together. Most people respond really well to that framing because it's very specific and visual. They can picture it, and you have immediately separated yourself from every other therapist they have seen. Once you have given them the overview, two concerns tend to come up. The first one is flexibility. I'm not flexible at all. Would that be a problem? This is a great moment because the answer actually tells them something powerful about the work. You say that is actually one of the reasons Thai massage works so well. You don't need to be flexible. We meet your body exactly where it is. The stretches are never forced. They follow your body's natural range of motion. And over time, that range tends to increase. So actually, the less flexible you are, the more you might notice a difference. The second concern is about pressure. New clients sometimes worry it will be too intense. And this is where communication during the session becomes part of the explanation. You can say, we check in throughout the session. I will ask you how things feel on a scale from 1 to 10. You are always in control of the pressure and the depth. We are working with your body, not on it. That last phrase is important. Working with your body, not on it. We use that framing a lot because it immediately signals that this is a collaborative, responsive experience, not just a technique being applied to a passive person. Now let's go a layer deeper because of the right client. This is where things get really interesting. Thai massage is not just a different set of techniques. It's a different system entirely. It works with the energy lines of the body, what we call Sen lines, which are channels through which life energy flows. When those lines are blocked or imbalanced, it shows up as pain, stiffness, or a general sense of not quite feeling right. Thai massage works to clear and rebalance that flow. Now, you don't need to lead with the energy line concept when you're talking to a brand new client. For some people, it will resonate immediately. For others, it might feel a bit abstract. Read the room. But what you can always say is this: Thai massage looks at the whole body as a connected system. So if you come in with lower back pain, we are not just going to work on your lower back. We are going to work with the entire leg, the hip, the energy pathways that feed into that area. Because a problem you feel in one place often has its roots somewhere else. That is something that clients understand immediately. And it positions you as a therapist who thinks differently, not just someone running a routine. Now let's talk about how to carry the same language into your biography, your website listing, and your social media platforms. Because the way you describe your work in writing is often the first impression a potential client gets. And most therapist bios sound exactly the same. Here's what most bios look like. I'm a licensed massage therapist offering Swedish, deep tissue, and Thai massage. Full stop. No context, no feeling, no reason for anyone to choose you specifically. Here's a different approach. Instead of just listing what you do, describe the experience and the result. Something like, I specialize in Thai massage, a full body system that combines targeted compression, assisted stretching, and energy line work to produce a depth release that most clients say they have never experienced before. Sessions are done fully clothed on a floor mat. No oil, just real, thorough body work that works with your whole body as a connected system. And then you can even add objections that people may have. For example, I've never actually worked on a floor mat. How is that like? What are the benefits for that? You could add that part of the information inside your bio as well. Now, overall, this is a completely different read. It is specific. It tells somebody exactly what to expect. And it immediately makes you stand out from dozens of therapists offering the same generic list of modalities. A few other phrases that work well in marketing copy. The massage that puts clients in a state they describe as meditation. Full body work that goes beyond muscle tissue. For people who have had good massages before, but have never experienced this. These kind of lines speak directly to someone who's already open to something different. So to bring this all together, when a new client asks what Thai massage is, the goal is not to give them a textbook answer. It is to help them feel what it would be like before they experience it. Meet them where they are. Use comparison and contrast. Address their concerns before they even ask. And speak about the results, not just the technique. And when it comes to your marketing, take those same ideas and build them into how you describe your work online. Be specific. Be visual. Lead with the experience and the outcome. If you want to build the actual skills that back up everything we just talked about, Thai Healing Massage Academy has been training therapists in Thai massage since 2001. We have 20 online training courses covering everything from complete foundation to specialized therapy work for specific areas of the body. All online, all at your own pace, with permanent access and direct support from us. The link to explore our courses is in the description below. If this video helped you think differently about how you talk about your work, give it a like and share it with another therapist who might need to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.